Optimal connectivity. The USB 3.0 Ethernet adapter adds an RJ45 port to your USB-enabled computer, delivering a connection to Gigabit Ethernet networks. Integrated USB 3.0 port. The Ethernet dongle features an integrated USB 3.0 pass-through port that keeps your USB port available for use with other peripherals. Built-in features. The USB 3.0 Gigabit Ethernet adapter helps conserve system resources through built-in checksum, large send offload support and jumbo frames, with crossover detection autocorrection, Auto 1509, ensuring a reliable connection. Maximum compatibility. USB to RJ45 hub is IEEE 802.3, 802.3U and 802.3 AB. 10 base T, 100 base TX, and 1000 base T compatible. Portable design. The small footprint and lightweight design on the USB 3.0 network LAN adapter enables maximum portability and is powered directly from the USB ports for an easy connection. The USB 3.0 to Gigabit Ethernet adapter lets you add a gigabit network port to your laptop or ultrabook computer through a USB 3.0 port, and features an integrated USB 3.0 pass-through port that keeps your USB port available for use with other peripherals.